Hey, hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how you can add Feedwind widget into a WordPress and Weebly website. So let's begin. Sign into your Feedwind account. Then select the widget you want to create. I will select RSS. Give it a name. In the settings, the way you want, I will select card. I don't need title. So it looks good. Save and get the code. Copy the snippet. So this is my WordPress site. I will add my widget in my sidebar over here, just above the recent post. So I will log into my dashboard, go to appearance, widgets, and you can drag a custom HTML snippet and just paste your code over here. If you want to give a title, my widget, and save. Put your front page, refresh, you should see your widget over here. That's it. Let's see how we can add Feedwind widget into a Weebly website. So log into your Weebly website first. Click on edit site. I will add widget in between here, just above this section. So I will add section over here, and I will add embed code element. Click on edit custom HTML, paste your Feedwind code, and click on publish on the right top corner. Go to your front page, refresh. You should see your Feedwind widget. That's how you can add Feedwind widget into your website. Thanks for watching.